do you think you're going to do for CSATs this year?
I don't know. I'm personally struggling with science.
Yeah, I know. That is a really hard class this year.
It is.
I don't know. Zombies!
Think we should run?
No, they're slow. Come on, let's just go.
I've called the student board meeting here today to discuss the imminent threat of Frankenpaul.
Jenny.
He's been terrorizing the school for days, hugging random people and standing in the middle of the halls. We will not stand for this. We must destroy this monster.
Has he done anything more serious than that?
He tore my arm off.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine, don't worry.
How do we know he's a monster? Couldn't he just be wearing a costume?
That's insane! Where would he find a costume in Colorado Springs?
How about Zizo's?
It's with Zizo's Magic Castle, here to tell you all about what's hot this Halloween and what's not. Hot this Halloween would be pirate costumes, but not just any pirate costume. You want to get a pirate costume with some bling or some bangs to make it different and help you stand out from the crowd. As far as what's not hot, I would say definitely stay away from things like ghosts and pumpkins. When you're looking for costumes, remember, you want to customize, make it interesting, and make it unique, because you don't want to run with the crowd. If you want to be rad, you got to be much different, like my friend right here.
Zizo's at 3 East Bijou Street.
That is stupid. Why would he wear a costume?
Maybe he's planning on going trick-or-treating.
Bourgeois, he is too old.
How old is he?
Like 18!
I don't think that's too old.
How old is too old?
That's what I'd like to know.
How old is too old?
16!
Previous statement does not reflect the views of T-Bird TV.
Then it is settled. He is too old.
We must stop him tonight, before he hugs another.
Do we have to do it tonight? It's safe trick-or-treat.
What's safe trick-or-treat?
Safe Trick or Treat is an activity that all the clubs and organizations at Wasson High School together perform. It's a service project for the community. We offer a safe and warm place for the kids to come on Halloween from 5 to 7. They go from room to room, and in each room they do an activity and or get a prize and a candy. It's supervised by students who are here in the different clubs and teachers, and the parents come with them, and it's a safe, warm environment for the kids.
Can't we just ask him to stop?
That's so mad it just might work!
Paul, can you please stop going up to people and hugging them and standing in the middle of the hallway? It's really annoying. It really is.
Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you.
It's been your T-Bird TV.